The Nile River. Flowing for over 6,650 kilometers, it is the longest river in Africa and arguably the world. For millennia, this majestic river has captured the imagination of explorers, historians, and poets alike. From its humble beginnings in the heart of Africa, the Nile embarks on an epic journey northwards, nurturing a myriad of life forms along its banks. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the birth of religions, and the development of some of the world's earliest cities. Understanding the Nile is to appreciate the profound influence it continues to have on millions of people today. The quest to discover the source of the Nile captivated explorers for centuries. Today we know that the Nile's journey begins not in one location, but in several, its waters drawn from the highlands of eastern Africa. The White Nile, the river's longer tributary, originates from Lake Victoria, nestled amidst the mountains of Tanzania, Uganda and Kenya. The Blue Nile, the Nile's other main tributary, rises from Lake Tana in the Ethiopian highlands. The confluence of the White Nile and the Blue Nile occurs in Khartoum, the capital city of Sudan. Here, the two rivers merge, their waters becoming one as they flow northwards as the Nile. Nowhere is the Nile's influence more profound than in Egypt. For ancient Egyptians, the Nile was the giver of life, the source of their prosperity, and the foundation of their civilization. The annual floods deposited nutrient-rich soil onto the land, making agriculture possible in an otherwise unforgiving environment. The Egyptians developed sophisticated irrigation systems to control the floodwaters and cultivate their crops. The river's bounty allowed them to produce surplus food, leading to population growth and complex social structures. The Nile became the backbone of their transportation network, facilitating trade, communication, and cultural exchange. Their calendar was based on the Nile's flood cycle, and their mythology is replete with stories and legends associated with the river. The Nile is not only a river of history, it is also a river of natural wonders. Its waters teem with life, supporting a diverse ecosystem of plants and animals. From the mighty Nile crocodile to the delicate papyrus reeds, the Nile is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. The river's journey takes it through a variety of landscapes, each with its own unique beauty. From the lush green valleys of its upper reaches to the stark beauty of the Sahara Desert, the Nile offers a constantly changing panorama of stunning vistas. Along its banks, one can find ancient temples and tombs, remnants of past civilizations that once flourished along its shores. For centuries, people have lived along its banks, their lives intertwined with the river's rhythms. Today, the Nile River remains a vital lifeline for millions of people. Its waters irrigate vast agricultural lands, providing sustenance for a growing population. The Aswan High Dam, completed in 1970, has helped to regulate the Nile's flow, generating hydroelectric power and providing a more predictable water supply for agriculture. However, the dam has also had significant environmental and social impacts, altering the river's natural flood cycle and displacing communities. The Nile also plays a crucial role in transportation and trade, connecting countries and communities along its course. Tourism is an important industry, with visitors from around the world drawn to the Nile's historical and natural wonders. The Nile River faces numerous challenges, including pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial waste, and population growth. The Nile River stands at a crossroads. Climate change, population growth, and increasing demands on its resources pose significant challenges. Ensuring the Nile's health requires a concerted effort from all stakeholders, including governments, communities, and individuals. Sustainable water management practices, pollution control measures, and addressing the root causes of climate change are crucial steps in the right direction. The Nile's future lies in our hands, in our ability to recognize its value, address the challenges it faces, and work together to ensure that this lifeline continues to flow for generations to come. The Nile's story is far from over. It is a story that we are all writing together.